Hello my people, welcome back to Lady Florence TV. If today is your first time of coming across this page, please don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, comment and share, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell in case I drop any new video. You will be the first to be notified. Today na meat pie matter. I don dey peel my potatoes. I don dey peel am. After I don peel my potatoes, then I come carry carrots, come dey peel am. Peel am. You see the way I dey peel am. Peel all the nonsense away, all the yama wey dey body. Peel am comot. See am. See the way I dey peel am. Peel am well. After I peel am finish, carry the potato, go scrape am. Cause me I no dey like meat pie wey dey cut potatoes for inside. Go cut am. I no dey like that one. Carry carrots now. Scrape the carrots. Scrape am. You see the way I don finish scraping it too. You see am. Turn am together. Yes, turn am together. Now na to wash am. Pour water put. You wash am well. Wash am make all the old sand comot. See am. Wash am. See am now. You see say the water don clean. See am say e don get clean water. See am. Come put am for pot. Yeah. Pack am for pot too. Come for pot. Then I don pour oil. Put my oil and onions for fire. Pour the grounded meat. Pack the grounded meat put. Pour am. Yeah. Pour am put. Then you come mix am together. Mix am together. Put anything wey you like, wey you wan put. Put your maggi, put your pepper, put anything, curry, anything wey you like, wey you dey like for your food. Put am. All the spices wey you know say you dey like. See am now. Turn am. Turn am. See am say e no get seed. If you dey turn am like this, e no go get seed. Oya o. See the potato and the carrot. I don boil am. Pour am for rubber. Then come carry the meat. Pour am put. See am, e dey bring smoke come out. Now. Come pour my flour for rubber. Put salt. Pour my baking powder. Yes. Come put butter. Any butter wey you like, you put. For me, if I wan bake 1 kilo, I'll put 1 butter. If na 2 kilo, put 2 butter. If na 3 kilo, put 3 butters. You see am? Come mix am together. Mix am well. Mix it no dey inside. Just dey mix am. Mix am well. See the way I dey mix am so. But before you mix am, you wash your hand. Wash your hand well. Make your hand clean. No use dirty hand. See am. Go carry egg. Break egg. Put. See am. Don pour the egg. Carry another egg. Break am put again. Carry another one. Any egg wey you want put, you fit put. For me, see am. This one na 4 so. We can put. Na 4 eggs. Now I put for this one. Put am. Another one 5. You see am. 5 eggs. Now break put so. Then come dey mix am together. Mix am. but some people no dey use egg o. For me I like using egg on it. Come carry my juice, that is grounded milk juice mixed with milk, come pour and put, come mix am together. Hey, mix am, go dey delicious. So mix am well well. See am, me I no dey like meat pie wey person dey eat, go be like say you dey eat cocoyam. No, see am, mix am well. Me I dey like meat pie wey soft. If you dey eat am, hey, you know say you dey eat something. You go know say you dey eat better meat pie, delicious meat pie, yummy meat pie. No be that one wey you just cut. You get one wey dey get one snacks wey dey sell for Nigeria that time. They call like sangripa. If you cut am, oh, stone cold. See am, I no dey eat that kind thing. See am, maybe you mix am well. Mix am well well. If you dey eat am, if you cut am, go make well. No be the one wey you cut, go be like say you dey cut strong eba or strong cocoyam. See am, carry don cut, carry my rolling stick, roll am, roll am round well well, roll am round. Then carry spoon, put the sauce inside. Put the sauce inside. This one wey I dey do now na for my daughter. She no dey like many sauce for inside. Put am, come fold down. Make sure say you close am well. Close am well well so that e no go open for inside oven. You close am well well. Close am. Carry your cutter, cut the excess one comot. Cut am comot, remove am. Carry your fork, press am down. That's design am, make it look beautiful. See am, design am well. Hey, decoration meat pie. See am, design am, do am well well. Come shook am. Use am take do design put. You see am. Here, arrange am for there. Then you see am now. E no look beautiful. See am, see the way e never done. Oh, I wan carry am. Me I carry am for inside oven, so put am for oven. I don on my oven down. See am, just draw am. I wan carry am put now. Yeah, I don carry am put. Then close the oven. Carry the second one, put for the second line again. Put am, close am. Yes, so my meat pie don ready. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye for now.